The Lord be with you and with your spirit. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Luke. Glory to you, O Lord. The boy Jesus in the temple. Every year, the parents of Jesus went to Jerusalem for the feast of the Passover, as was customary. And when Jesus was 12 years old, he went up with them according to the custom for this feast. After the festival was over, they returned, but the boy Jesus remained in Jerusalem, and his parents did not know it. Thinking that he was in the company of the travelers, they went a day's journey. Then they looked for him among their relatives and friends. As they did not find him, they went back to Jerusalem looking for him. And after 3 days, they found him in the temple, sitting among the teachers, listening to them and asking them questions. And all the people were amazed at his understanding and his answer. His parents were very surprised when they saw him, and his mother said to him, "Son, why have you done this to us? Your father and I have been very worried while searching for you." Then Jesus said to them, "Why were you looking for me? Did you not know that I must be in my Father's house?" But they did not understand what Jesus was saying to them. Jesus went down with them, returning Nazareth, and he continued to be under their authority. As for his mother, she kept all these things in her heart. This is the gospel of the Lord. Dear friends in Jesus Christ, today we are celebrating the feast day of Holy Family, the family which is responsible, the family which is walking towards God, the family where love, care, concern, everything is seen. And that's why we highlight our focus on Joseph and Mary, how they are careful about Jesus, and when they have not found him after 3 days, they went to look for him in the temple. And they were surprised the work of Jesus, how Jesus was talking to the teachers of the law and answering their questions. And at the same time, we could see that Jesus is very obedient to them, to listen to them and grow up as they command him, as they ask him. And similarly, we can see that for the new couples, that this is the example for all of us to build a new family, the family which is oriented towards God, the family which is rooted in God. The husband and wife, they look for divorce if the root is not clear. The husband and wife, they look for divorce if their orientation is not clear. So the Holy Family, we come together to build a family in the name of the Lord. And whatever happens, we offer everything in the name of the Lord. So our orientation for the family is to build up a family, to cooperate, to become co-creator, and that's why the children in our family. So as a family members, husband and wife, our responsibility is to look after our children and to show them the path of Jesus, show them the path of God. And that's why husband and wife both are engaged. Both are engaged in happiness, both are engaged in worship, both are engaged in various work. Joseph and Mary went for religious ceremony to the temple. And when they lost Jesus, they both together went to in search of him. So both of them are responsible, and that is exemplary for all of us to draw an inspiration, to get encouragement from this holy family, Joseph, Mary, and Jesus.